Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. To replace components, first remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Open the toilet seat and lid. Lift the toilet seat upward. Use one hand to press the ceramic body while lifting upward. After separating the toilet seat lid assembly from the ceramic body, lift the seat lid assembly slightly and move it backward a bit. You will see the internal cables and hoses inside the toilet. First, pull out all the cables. Locate the corresponding cables and unscrew them. Finally, remove the inlet hose. It may be tight the first time. You can use a wrench to assist. After unscrewing, the toilet seat lid assembly will be completely separated from the ceramic body. With the toilet seat lid assembly removed from the ceramic body, first unscrew the mounting screws. There are 2 mounting screws on the side of the toilet. Remove the decorative cover. Under the cover is the mounting screw. There is another screw on the other side of the toilet seat lid assembly that also needs to be removed. Remove the mounting screws and set them aside. Lay the unit flat and use a flathead screwdriver to pry up the retaining clips. After separating the base and the cover, disconnect the cables. First, disconnect the cables. Since this model is special, the main board has a cover, which needs to be unscrewed. After removing the cover, you can unplug the cables. Because there's waterproof adhesive on it, it may be a bit tricky to remove. Gently detach the waterproof adhesive. Use a little force. And use some force to pull out all the cables from the cover. Finally, remove the ground cable, which is also fixed with a screw. Unscrew it. Now the cover and the base are completely separated. Replace the remote control signal receiver. First, unscrew the fixing screw. After removing the screw, find the cable corresponding to the main board. If you can't identify it, try gently pulling on the cable to see which one moves. Once identified, unplug the cable. If it's too tight to remove by hand, you can use needle nose pliers for assistance. Because the cable went under the main board and got stuck, you'll need to loosen the main board mounting screws. Once loosened, there will be enough space to remove the cable. Now the remote control signal receiver can be taken out, with the new receiver in hand, since the original cable was routed under the main board. You can now choose to route it over the top instead. This is more convenient. Just like these 2 other cables placed on top, connect the receiver directly to the main board. Tidy up the cable layout and secure the receiver in its original position. Previously, the mainboard screws were loosened to remove the receiver. Now re-tighten the mainboard screws. After tightening, check to ensure everything is working properly. After replacing the parts, reconnect the cover cables to the mainboard. Make sure to tighten the ground cable screw. Check that no cables are left unconnected. Reinstall the decorative cover of the mainboard. The decorative cover also needs to be secured with screws. Alternatively, the decorative cover can be left off. Finally, check that all cables are properly connected. Close the cover. Tighten the mounting screws of the toilet seat lid assembly. Make sure to place the white rubber washer onto the screw. Assembly complete. Place the toilet seat lid assembly back on the ceramic body. Reconnect the corresponding cables to the ports on the toilet seat lid assembly. Each cable has an arrow indicator. Align the arrows to insert correctly. Incorrect connections will cause the component to malfunction. If a function is used when improperly connected, the toilet will not execute that function. After connecting the cables, tidy them up. Next, connect the two inlet hoses. Organize the rest of the cables underneath. Connect the cleaning inlet hose at this end. Be sure to screw it on tightly. Finally, pass the power cord through the bottom of the ceramic body. Arrange all the cables neatly. Once everything is in order, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.